What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. Basically I've been waiting for some parts that I just have to order to get ready the Coyote engine RedMus. If you are planning to do this swap engine in your 2015 or whatever year Mustang, basically you have to have the BCM, the ECU and the matching keys. Everything have to match with the same car in order to do the car start right away. But I didn't get the BCM and didn't get the key, so that's why everything is being crazy difficult. To program those keys, to program the BCM and the ECU, you have to have the same car, same VIN number, everything, because the IDS, the program, they didn't allow to program in the computer if some module is missing or the parts numbers is missing. So it's crazy. You have to have the same VIN number car in order to program those computers. So hopefully I have a friend, they gonna give me your car for program those computers. I already ordered those computers and the keys, and hopefully everything's gonna be smooth to get this done. So today in this video is about the steering wheel that I got from LP Performance. So I'm very excited. I'm pretty excited to install this amazing steering wheel in the car. So as you can see, I removed the seats because it was easier to me, you know, get into under the dash, because I have to replace some module over there, the OVD module 2, because the part number is different. So like I said, every single module have to match. Over there you can see the bunch of wires disconnected. Well, it's the BCM that was there. I disconnect that BCM in order to put the new one. Today we're gonna see how to install that new steering wheel. I'm gonna change a little bit the interior of the car, so I'm gonna go with the carbon fiber theme. So as you can see, this is the deluxe component set. This is from DS18 and this is the top level competition sound quality system. So as you can see, this cone is a red carbon fiber texture, and also I have the mid range right here, and this is the tweeter over there. So it's a three-way component system, and this is pretty nice. I mean, that carbon fiber looking is very special. So I decided to go in that theme inside of the car. That's why I'm gonna change this. I'm already ordered some those dash kits. I'm gonna change the steering wheel for now. I'm waiting for those things to the dashboard, but it's gonna be here soon. So yeah, let's get started and install the new steering wheel from LP Performance. I'm pretty excited. It's beautiful. So let's do it. Okay, so I already removed again the shifter extension paddles. So I removed those in order to get the access to this hole over here, and just push some tabs behind it. I already did it, so I will show you what I'm talking about. Is these things. So basically you put a flat screwdriver, as so, you can see over here, and you push this thing like this. So this is gonna, you know, latch this lock system or whatever. I already disconnect the battery, so I recommend 100% do this step. This was already loose a little bit, so okay. Yeah, and then you have to remove these connectors. You can remove it very easy, safely, without any kind of power in the car, without, you know, you have to disconnect the battery before. So if you don't disconnect the battery, basically you're gonna get the code in the ABS module, so it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Then you have to remove this connector right here and lose this bolt, and the rest is gonna be inside. So let's do it. So here we have the steering wheel already in my hand. Okay, so yeah, let's go inside and let's put this back together, because all these buttons and all these things have to go to the other one. So yeah, let's do it inside. All right, my friends, so here we have our steering wheel from LP Performance. Check this out. This is beautiful, and I can tell you right away, the quality is impressive. All the finish, the lines, everything is perfect in this steering wheel, so it's very well done. So yeah, this is our new steering wheel, so let's get this ready. All right, so basically you will need the T20 torque tip, and basically is gonna be the only thing that you're gonna need to disassemble the whole thing. So yeah, let's start to remove all those screws. Once you've done this, just remove those 3 pieces like so. It's easy, just pull it out. You're gonna find this 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts, so you're gonna remove that, and you can remove this, you can remove this, and then this bolt is to remove the shifter control. So let's do it. Once you remove this, you can now remove the back plate. Just pull it out, and that's it. It's gonna be straight, easy. All right, after that you just take off the wiring, just like this. You can remove the wiring and put it in the new steering wheel. So basically right now we are ready to start the process back and put everything back together. Okay, so yeah, let's do it backwards. It's that easy. All right, so we are ready to put back the harness. All the harness, it was right here like this, and this one like this. That's it. And then put back this cover, the back cover. The back plate is in position, everything looks nice. All right, so let's move on. All right, nice. So next step is put back together the shift paddles. I'm gonna right away I'm gonna clean up these things. All right, we get these things clean and ready to go, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, now I'm gonna do something different here. So as you can see, this thing has this chrome finish, so I would like to delete that chrome and make it in black. This time I want it in black, so I'm gonna do it some wrap, and it's gonna be a better finish to this application. So let's put some wrap over here. Alright guys, so we just finished to wrap this up with black, and I think it came out very good. Look at this. Wow, looks so good. So yeah, in black is way better, way better. All right, let's move on, solve the rest of the pieces. Alright guys, as you can see, the steering wheel is finished and ready to install in the car. So definitely a nice touch, the black trim, because it matches and it's contrasted very well with the red carbon fiber, and over here looks awesome too. So yeah, I'm happy with the result. And now let's go to installing the car. It's ready, so let's go. All right my friends, so back in the car, so we just needed to install to put these wires over here and align with the center hole. Is pretty easy, it's not thing complicated. So yeah, just bolt on and that's it. It's connect everything back and we are ready, so let's do it. Alright guys, so next step is put this nice red carbon fiber over here, and it's gonna match perfectly. I love it. And then the paddle shifter. It's pretty important to use this adhesion promoter. It's the best way to secure this thing and be sure that it's never come off. So yeah, let's do it. Now we're talking. This steering wheel came out very good. Look how it looks. It's perfect. It's perfect, very nice. So definitely the black and red touch it was the way. And now that center carbon fiber, it looks awesome. It's very nice. So yes, we finished and it's ready to go. So guys, if you like it, check out these guys. I'm gonna put the link down below. LP Performance, thank you so much. This came out very nice. It's good. I'm so happy, and thank you so much guys for making it and make this happen. So yeah, I'm going ahead, I'm doing some shots and ready to go.